Hey, this is Hari, design lead at Onething. We are a dedicated, experienced design studio who helped hundreds of brands to build their digital experience better. On our YouTube channel, we'll be sharing our processes, insights, top tips and hacks to upskill your design skill. Today, let's talk about the processes involved in UI design. UI design is a great way for your users to communicate better with your products. We can use some breathtaking images, amazing colors, and creative fonts to build a stunning UI designs. But is that it? There are certain processes which we follow to build a most functional and creative UI designs. Let's go through it. Before jumping into design, it is important to understand the brand. What do we know about the brand? What are we building? And how we are planning to build it? All those things we have to keep in our mind. Here is where the brand identity and brand guidelines may help us to understand the brand better and build a UI based on it. Once we are clear with it, we can start brainstorming our ideas through mood boards. Mood board is a collection of inspirations and different images which you can think about. Images, colors and components what you like can be put together in one place to create a mood board. It is more like a magazine cutout placed on a canvas to create a rough idea of what we are going to build. This is the example of the mood board which we created earlier. Next step is to create a stylescape. Stylescapes are usually used for branding to create a brand identity, but we are going to use it to elaborate our font usage, colors, buttons and typographies to give a better idea of what we are going to build. This will give us a better idea what to expect in our visual design. Here you can see our icons which we are going to use, our colors, font and images which we will be using it in the next step. Once the stylescape is set, we have to bring in our thoughts and ideas into visual. It is better to explore one or two options. This is where your thoughts become reality. Take one major screen and try to work on it. Once the visual is set, define the basic component into your library which you are going to be using in your projects in the later stage. Add all the necessary colors, different button options and different font varieties to your design library which can be used later. Every page has its own importance. Try using different hierarchy to highlight important contents using colors and font. Let your content breathe. Let's use white spaces to bring in focus to a certain area. Try to avoid unnecessary learning curves for your users. Don't forget to add different edge cases and error states to your flow. And always remember to be open-minded, explore different trends and have fun with it. If you enjoyed this video, like and share, and if you wanted to see more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.